What to do if the server is down in the DayZ. So in this video, I will be showing you how to do it exactly. So make sure that you follow the video until the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, I have asked the advisors for the game and they have reported me that if you are dealing with this issue, those error codes usually point to the connection or server issues. For example, the code right here with the ending of 00F, trouble syncing with the server often caused by temporary server or connection problems. So the other code which ends with 00A means that authentication issue, likely related to the credentials or server verification. So what you need to do is to try cleaning the game cache or verify the game files. Restart your router or switching to a wired connection might also help. If it's a server issue, it could resolve on its own after some time because the server issue is mainly caused by the traffic. If the traffic is high on the server currently, so the server might not be available for you. You could reach out to the game developers to see if they are aware of any outages at that moment. So that's all you can do. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.